Audio Jungle.
I'm curious, you know, in service and in maintenance and really like a lot of trade industries in general, you're seeing kind of a there's a lot of demand, right? I mean, people are not necessarily going into the trades. It's a great place for people to make a really great career these days. I'm curious, like, how do we encourage more females to explore those spaces? Like, what would you say to, a young woman or a young adolescent female who might be coming up? Like, what is it about the trades or the service side or maintenance actually turning wrenches that is interesting? Like, what would you tell them?
Okay. Well, I do have, there's a couple of girls, and to them it's the same. Every day is different, and you learn. Like I like putting things apart, so that's a thing for me. And there is girls out there that like it too. It's a good industry to get into, but I think it's a hard industry to get into. We're not girly girls. Like me and Jen aren't girly girls. And you couldn't be a girly girl doing what we do. So, sometimes it's hard. It's pain at start, but then, yeah. And I think it's your perspective if you're that customer. Like, I don't care what anyone said to me all day, but if I have a customer at the end of the day that's like loves us and thinks our product's great, that just takes over from anything else that happened all day. And that's what I go home thinking about. Oh, that customer loves us. It's weird, but it's what drives me every day. And I think that there is people out there that have that same thing. But then, they go into normal customer jobs, which is obviously McDonald's and, your fast food when they're kids. And that pushes them away from customer dealings because obviously they're just doing fast food.
What do you say to, I've got teenage girls.
Yeah.
How do I encourage them to not be afraid to take things apart? Right? Like what's the advice to get them comfortable with breaking things and taking risks and being a little bit more of that mindset as opposed to a traditional, be very careful, be very buttoned up. Take it slowly. How do I get them to be more
have a
crazy?
go. Like, it's like, find out how it works. Like my daughter can. My daughter is 21 and she'll pick up the screwdriver. She'll pull something apart and but she, obviously her dad was an air conditioning tech as well. And so she's grown up with it. Not that she wants to be like, do his business or be an air conditioning tech because she's in uni. But like for her, if she has to change a light bulb or do anything, she'll give it a go and like pull things apart, get the drill out. Like, and for most kids, I think we some other kids now. Like, I didn't have a choice when my dad was a mechanic. It was like, I need you to come. Like, and nowadays, kids don't get that anymore. It's like, you just sit there and you watch TV or you play your video games. Yeah. That's kids today.
That's too close. That's too close to home, Jackie. That's too close to home.
But yeah, it's true. Like, and there's YouTube videos now to do everything. Like, go have a look, try it.
Yeah, I think that's hard though. Like, it's like, I think it takes, and it's representation. It takes seeing people like you, Jackie, and you, Jennifer, who are doing this and have done this and have shown that it's possible, so that everybody can say, hey, you know what? Like, it's fine. Like,
Yeah.
take the lawn tractor apart.
Yeah.
We'll put it back together with a YouTube video. 'Cause, I don't know how else we're gonna get it back together.
Yeah.
It's
As
easy
long as we
now.
can find the
I mean,
tools. Yeah.
those videos, I do it. Like I will work on my car. I'll watch a video. I'll work on the coffee maker. I'll watch a video. Right? It's so easy to look up things now that I don't think you can't break it. I mean, you can, right? But it's a point that most of the stuff that you break, you can fix. There's a video for it, right? So it's so easy nowadays to do that. I think the thing that women may have a little bit of advantage of in service is that, at least what I've seen in the residential side, is that who does laundry? A lot of times it's women, right? And that's kind of our in, is like being able to talk to women and they see that we can do it. Like you said, and like I'm sure, Jackie, when you've gone on jobs, I know when I've gone on jobs, there could be an owner out there, a couple that has a laundromat or two, and they see us out there and they're like, holy, wow, like, and they're like, oh, you can do that. Can you show me how to do this? And it's like, yeah, and it is a little bit of that, like, it's not, I mean, especially with the big equipment, right? Things are heavy, but we find a way to get it done. And, it's doable for sure for women to do, right? And if you don't know how to do it, there's a video out there that someone made to show you how to do it. So yeah, it's pretty easy from the standpoint of finding how to do it. And then if you mess it up, somebody messed it up too. So go watch a video, right?
Yeah,
So,
that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that.